If you want to download your account data from Netflix, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information saved securely. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Open your web browser and go to the Netflix website. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the data download option. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Click on the profile for which you want to download data and look for the Download Your Personal Data option. Step 4. Request your data. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email from Netflix with a link to download your data. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions to save the data to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from Netflix. Make sure to keep this information secure and backed up as needed.